中法混血模特兒 Leanne 當年同黎明一齊拍廣告，憑住一句我係咪好任性啊，令人印象深刻。最近 Leanne 返嚟香港，仲盛裝出席活動，講到 Leon 計劃出年開戶外全場企位演唱會，佢都相當期待。
He's having another concert, is it? Good for him. Well, if I am here, yeah, why not? Yeah. It's nice. He will give a nice, how do you call this? A nice feeling to it, you know, energy. So, yeah, people will dance maybe.
已經成為一女之母嘅 Leanne， 就算工作幾忙，都會抽時間陪屋企人，仲話希望下次可以成家一齊嚟香港玩添。
I hope like this. Hope next time they will come over with me and I can bring them to visit, you know, Hong Kong and eat the food and that'll be nice. I want this family.
Yeah, are they very curious about Hong Kong?
Oh, definitely. They're always saying, "Mom, take a picture of us and put us on your Instagram."
Leanne 仲透露自己啱啱簽咗洛基兒以前間模特兒公司，亦都意味住佢會不時嚟香港工作。